Hello everybody, it is me, Camila Rose, and guess what y'all? I am finally back. I am set up in my new creative space in the house and ready to do some filming. I'm still going to be working on this lighting situation, still getting some things together because I already am like, I need to get an additional light source it looks like, but overall I'm feeling pretty good about things. I hope you all have been doing well. It's so great to see y'all. I am not nearly even ready to get into all of the nitty gritty around the money things, but I do have from way back in the day from Paycheck 2 and Paycheck 3 some cash stuffing to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done so we can move on. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you all in just 1 second. All right, y'all, so here's where we are. As you can see, we have some pull out here that we needed to pull some money out for some things. So we have $55, and that's gonna be $55 for business, $80 that's for hair, school loans and taxes, and then $5 for giving. Oh, and I need to go grab my giving envelope, but let's go ahead and get some things out the way, all right? So the $55 for business, budget income for business, that's this one right here. Ooh, y'all, this has been such a busy season, and it just seems like it's just getting busier and busier, that it is not even trying to slow down. It just seems like every time I feel like I'm getting somewhere, I got something else that pops up like, boop, boop, you need to take care of this too. So Lord, we trying to make it. All right, so we have, but I still don't think I've been counting this. We got a lot of money that's going towards this. We got that for school loans. We put 25, as you know, for each one of those. So we just been adding these up. We had 20. Let me set this one to the side so I can count this. We had 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. 2. Oh, this is a lot. 20, 40, 60, 80. 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we're adding 25 to that. So 20, 30, 35, 38. $338 to pay towards student loans at the end of the year. That is fantastic. That's going to pay some of that interest on these student loans that have been sitting. We also have 25 that'll be going towards our taxes. I don't know what my taxes are going to look like this year because I bought this house and I got to do a homestead thing. I got a lot of stuff going on. We got 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 88 with another 25. That's going to put us over 100, isn't it? So 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. And then we have 5, 10, 13. So 313 for this one as well. So they both have the same. And then we have, who else do we got to put some money away for? We have $5 for giving. Give me just 1 second. Let me go get my giving envelope. Well, honestly, let me just pull this. Oops, that was the wrong one. Okay, let me just pull this 5. I'm going to do 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I'm just going to pull these over to the side. So that's giving. All right. We haven't done hair yet. Hair gets 30? Is it only getting 30? 25 is 50, 60, 70, 80, yeah, 30. Okay, well, I'm going to need to definitely, but I'm supposed to be increasing hair to its rightful amount it needs to be getting so I can actually afford to get my hair done. So that gives us 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So that gives me 60 for hair. And then now we're done with second paycheck. Whoop, whoop. Now we move on to third paycheck over here because we have money that need to go for that one too. We have a new envelope, which I need to go make the new envelope. which I think I'm just going to pull from. Hopefully I can get this off. So I don't think I'm going to be saving for Canva anymore. I got so many updates coming for y'all. Because we need to save now for our HOA. We need a sinking fund for our HOA. HOA is $200 in April and $200 in October. We already paid for this year because I moved in October. So we are going to do $35 every month. And that will give us the, that will give us the $200 that we need to pay that off. So here's our first $35. Put that away. And then I have for school loans, I have $25 for the next, at least I think that's what I have on here, is $25 for the next 2 months. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there. So we won't be adding, or we may be adding. I'm honestly kind of don't remember. I'd have to go look at my budget for the next ones, but I'm going to go ahead and throw that 25 and 25 in here so that it is just done and I don't have to worry about it, because I be falling so behind because I have stuff that keeps coming up. This may be everything that goes in here for this year, so let's go ahead and count it. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. So that's $388 for the year by putting that 25 away over time. So I think that's pretty good. It'll eat away at some of that interest that's been building since our loans have been in deferment. So we got a little something going on. Y'all, I have to close out October. I'm filming this the day before it's about to go out. This is going to go out tomorrow, November, what is it, the 3rd? Yeah, November 3rd, this is going to go out. And I already need to close out our second paycheck and get the funds for that. And then close out the next one, the third paycheck, get the funds for that. But I do believe I'm going to go ahead and do the video for our November paycheck 1. Things are looking a little different now, y'all, but y'all are going to see. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited to make some moves and to get some things done. And let me see, because I don't think I never did the second account for this one, did I? Because that money now goes towards a different account. So it's going to actually go in November, but it's going to come from October. The paycheck date will be October. So we're switching things up, y'all. Y'all going to see all of it. It's about to be a big, old, hot mess. I think the next video actually, instead of being November paycheck 1, is going to actually just be a rundown of what my expenses are and then how I'm going to budget that. So y'all, we did it. We made it. We back. Thank you all for watching. I hope y'all are having a great month of November. We're almost done, y'all. So a big year, big changes. I will see you all soon. Y'all have a great one. Bye-bye.